What's going on, real ones? BCHQ, back with another reaction. We got Stormzy with Sounds of the Skeng. Just going forward to let you know, I work weekends, so I work Friday and Saturday nights, so the upload schedule probably won't be uploading until Sundays or Mondays going forward, just because, unless I can do it before I go to work, because otherwise I need to get my rest and it's just not going to work out. So just to let you know going forward, but let's get into it.
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip more than reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's like a bitch, ask me, bro, I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Type really deserves it. See old school night just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest. I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my back like kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes,
I don't think his energy is there in this track yet. Obviously he's rhyming, but I feel like his energy is a bit too laid back so far.
Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So now me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different. Nigga, I miss the Skengs, but the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too
Right,
much.
fuck with that. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I think there's a lot of artists that fuck with the Americans and even try and sound American themselves, which I agree with him on that. Like, that needs to not happen as much. Like, there's certain people that could probably do it and get away with it, but on the overall scale, be yourself.
Of course, and I never get moved up facts. We talking raps. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude, but you do the maths. I look cheating in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce got to stick to my swag and tricks now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man might pick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So now me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different. Nigga, I miss the Skengs, but the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Throws, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My fist big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint.
See, I don't agree. I don't think it is a banger. Like, it's alright, and the message is pretty good, but I don't know if it's the beat or his flow, but it's too laid back for me. It's just a bit bland for me. I feel like he's got a lot more he's capable of. Yeah, I feel like it's just a bit generic. Stormzy with Sounds of the Skeng, trash. But shout out to everyone supporting. Don't want to fuck with the real ones.